Hello, my name is Raghavendra Bangne and today we will discuss about trigonometry and trigonometric ratios. The word trigonometry is the combination of three Greek words. First one is tri, tri means three. Second one is gon, gon means sides, gon or gono, gono means sides. And third one is metron, and the meaning of metron is measurement. So this is the meaning of the word trigonometry, and the trigonometry is the basically branch of mathematics that deals with the establishment of the relations between angles and sides of a right angled triangle. What if the triangle given to me is not a right angle triangle? So if triangle is not a right angle triangle, triangle is not a right angle triangle, if it is not a right angle triangle, then it can be split into right angle triangle by constructing a perpendicular from one of its vertices like this. So the triangle can be split into two right angle triangles to use the trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. So we will see what is the meaning of trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. So if I consider a right angled triangle, right angled at point B, then the side opposite to this right angle is called hypotenuse and is represented by capital H. And if I consider an angle A as theta, then the side opposite to this angle theta is known as perpendicular and is represented by capital P, and the side which consists of angle theta as well as 90-degree angle is known as base and is represented by capital B. And there are 6 trigonometric ratios which are being intensively used in the application part of trigonometry, that is height and distance part, and these are sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. Now these are also written as sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, and cot. If I take this angle theta into consideration, so I have to find out sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. And sine theta is the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse, that is P by H. Sine theta is the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse, that is P by H. Perpendicular here is CB and hypotenuse is AC. The ratio, that is cos theta, is the ratio of base to the hypotenuse, that is B to the H ratio, B to the H ratio, B by H. And the third ratio, that is tan theta, is the ratio of perpendicular upon base ratio, perpendicular upon base ratio. And here one interesting thing is sin theta is opposite to cosec theta, opposite to cosec theta, and cosec theta now will be h by p. Cos theta is the opposite of sec theta, cos theta is the opposite of sec theta. Now the sec theta will be h by b, and cot theta is the opposite of tan theta, cot theta is the opposite of tan theta, that is b by p. So these are 6 trigonometric ratios which are the ratios or the relationship established between angle theta and other sides or all the sides of the triangle, and these ratios will be used in the application part of the trigonometry. So thank you